It's been 4 months since I recorded last video, and I would like to show you the improvement that I got so far. As you can see, I can extend my fingers almost fully, but I can't extend them any more than that level. I'm supposed to have them extend more, but I need, I guess, more time and more work on it. So hopefully time will pass and I will get better. Also, I can extend the wrist along with the fingers open. I couldn't do that movement. See this movement? I couldn't do it in the last video. I was able to do only like this in the last video. When I close my fingers, it's pretty easy to do like this. But when I open it, see, my hand gets shaky because it requires more work and more power. But I'm getting there. It's been now 1 year and 4 months, almost 1 year and 5 months like this for the repair surgery. So I'm gonna give myself 1 more year to maybe fully get my hand as used to be before the injury. Also the thumb, I can do the thumbs up easily. It's much easier than before. Before I was having very difficult movements, but now it's much easier, but still needs improvement there. The middle finger here is the best one of them, so I'm also working and doing some exercises for the rest of the fingers. So I will keep you updated. Alright, thanks.